Well, you see, I don't buy into that, honest to God. I really don't buy into any of that type of crap, to be quite honest with you. Because that type of behaviour happened in Naming Street in 1985 when a methadone clinic was introduced and there was people opposing it. Now, the very people who opposed it, some of them ended up in it, and some of them, their sons and daughters, were on it. So where do you put it? Because everybody with an addiction has the right to a recovery. So if there's oncology services put in the middle of a service, do we stop it? No. We've no given right. With addiction, nobody woke up one morning and said, I'm going to become a heroin addict, a cocaine addict, so bring it on. So we have a right as a nation and a society to provide a service. That's what we have. I mean, do they object to pubs in our area? No. So the myth that's out there that methadone shouldn't be is hypocrisy of the highest level.